Maya, do you want a baby brother or sister? Of course a sister. I can play with her. It will be fun. Mom and Dad will only love him now. I'm sad because you love the baby boy more than me.
And Cinderella and the prince lived happily ever after.
Wow, Mom, I'm so happy for the princess in the story. We can go.
What happens next? She lived happily ever after.
Yes, Mom, but I'm not sleepy yet, so...
Maya, Mom needs rest. And the baby needs rest too.
But Mom always reads until I sleep.
I'm sorry. Please understand. Mom and the baby need a rest.
It's okay. I'm a big girl. Theme park day. I love weekends.
Okay, girl. Let's go.
Maya, remember to walk slowly beside Grace, okay?
Ooh, everything looks so fun! Mom, Dad, can I have pink cotton candy?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Mom, let's ride one horse together.
Sorry, Maya. I can't play with you this time.
Oh, konting nout siad. But we always ride together.
Mom is pregnant, Maya. There's still so much to do here.
Let's try something else. Then, can we ride the big wheel? Mom? Aren't you coming with us?
The baby isn't ready to play Ferris wheel. I'm standing here to wait for you two.
I miss when Mom saw the view with me.
You know, girl, having a baby is so hard. I hope you can understand it.
Yes, Dad. I'll try.
Thank you for coming, everyone.
Can all you guys guess exactly the gender of the baby this time?
Maya, do you want a baby brother or sister?
Of course a sister. I can play with her. It will be fun.
But I think it's a boy. Your parents already have a girl here.
Maybe.
Maybe your parents want a boy more. Oh, my sides, that was perfect. Okay.
Babies are cute. It's wonderful to see such lovely little ones.
Will Mom hold a baby all day? And forget me?
Time to reveal the baby's gender. Let's see who got it right.
It's a boy. Wow.
Wow. I can't believe it. Thank you, Grace.
So, they really wanted a boy. Mom and Dad will only love him now. I'm sad because you love the baby boy more than me.
Oh no, my girl. That is not true. You know, when you were a baby, we held you, fed you, and took care of you so much. You know, when you were a baby, we held you, fed you, and took care of you so much.
So,
I was like that too?
yes, that's right, sweetheart.
You were even smaller.
Yes. You and your brother deserve all our care.
We'll love both of you. Equal love, always.
When you feel sad, tell us. Don't keep it alone. I was scared. I'm sorry. Ah. Ooh, the baby kicked.
You kicked Grace like that, too.
Hi. I'm sorry, my little brother.
People may guess many things, but our love is clear.
Mommy, can I hold the tickets? Please?
Okay, sweetie, but only for a minute. Okay, sweetie, but only for a minute. Oh no! Where are the tickets?
Leo, you had the tickets. You lost them, right? Me? No way! You are the villain today, Leo.
Wow. Popcorn is ready. Who is excited for the movie?
Me. I love superheroes. Pew pew. I am very excited. The trailer was great. Mommy, can I hold the tickets, please?
Okay, sweetie, but only for a minute.
Wow, these are the tickets. Can we go inside now? Yaku.
Let's look at the posters while we wait. Which one looks the most exciting to you two?
Ding dong! The movie is starting now.
It's time. Let's go in, everyone. Grace, do you have the tickets?
Let me check my pockets. Where did I put them? They have to be here. I'm sure I had them. Oh no. Where are the tickets? I can't find them. They are not here. Oh my goodness.
What? Are you sure? Let me check too. Where are they? This is strange.
I checked everywhere. Oh my goodness.
Oh no! The movie is starting soon!
Everyone, look on the floor. Hurry up.
I don't see them on the floor.
They are gone. We lost them.
Oh, wait a minute. Leo, you had the tickets. You lost them, right?
Me? No way.
Yes, way. I saw you, Mr. Forgetful. I gave them to Mommy. I am a good boy. You are the villain. No, I'm not. I didn't take them. They are mine.
Oh man, that was hilarious. Okay, you two. Stop fighting. Nobody is a villain here. We just need to find them.
Okay, Daddy. But he is still a little bit suspicious.
Let me check my long wallet again. Oh!
Oops. Look. Wow. The tickets. They are hiding here.